Hi Bobcats, hi Toros. My name is Miss B and today I'm going to read you a very fun book. It's actually one of my favorite books and it's called Five Little Monkeys Sitting in a Tree. And this book is by Aloud. Now look, what do you think the book is going to be about? Let's find out. Five Little Monkeys Sitting in a Tree by Aloud. Help me count the monkeys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little monkeys and their mama walked down to the river for a picnic supper. They were walking down to the river. Mama spreads out a blanket and settles down for a snooze. She looks like she's gonna take a nap, huh? While 5 little monkeys climb a tree to watch Mr. Crocodile. Do you think that's a good idea? I don't think so. 5 little monkeys sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. You can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile. Uh-oh, there comes a crocodile. Snap! Oh no, what happened to the monkey? Look at those monkeys' faces. Oh no, where is she? How many are left? Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little monkeys sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. You can't catch me. And along comes Mr. Crocodile. There he goes again. Snap! There he goes. Oh no, where is he? Where do you think he went? Help me count. Now there's 1, 2, 3 little monkeys sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. You can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile. There he goes again. What do you think is going to happen? Snap! Oh no, where is he? How many monkeys are left? Help me count. 1, 2. 2 little monkeys sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. Can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile. And snap! Oh no, where is she? Now there's only 1 little monkey sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. Can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Crocodile. And snap! Oh no, there are no more little monkeys sitting in the tree. But wait, look. What do you see on the tree? Do you think it is what I think it is? You're right. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little monkeys sitting in a tree. Their mama gives them a big, big hug. And their mama scolds them. Never tease a crocodile. It's not nice and it's dangerous. How do you think those monkeys feel? You're right. Then 5 little monkeys and their mama eat a delicious supper. And they do not tease Mr. Crocodile again. The end. Bum, ba-da-dum, bum, bum, bum. All right, Toros and Bobcats, if you like this book, make sure you hit that thumbs up button that's on the bottom of your screen, okay? Bye, friends. See you guys soon.